Hello guys, welcome back to Razor Tech Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can customize Windows 10 using other methods other than the ways given to you by Microsoft. So if you guys don't know what I mean by this, basically what I'm saying is Windows 10 gives you certain methods like changing the background or turning off transparency effects, but that's not the only way you can customize Windows 10. There's actually other ways, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So before we start, can you guys please get me to 10 likes on this video, and also please subscribe and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video, and also like it. And now let's go to get into it. Okay guys, so before we start, just make sure you have a little bit of space. These apps won't take that much space, and also make sure you have a decent amount of RAM because these also won't take a lot of RAM. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out with the app named Lively Wallpaper. So what this does is it gives you a live wallpaper. So if you like live wallpapers like me, then this is the app for you. And it also doesn't take a lot of RAM. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to do that. So I will leave a link to this app in the description so you guys can go and download it on your own time. And once you open it, you should see a screen like this. And it gives you a few live wallpapers. You can also download some, but I'm not sure how to download any live wallpapers at the moment, but I will make a part 2 for this video. So I'm just going to use Starfield. So once you do that, it should automatically open. And if it gives you a prompt to enable something, like if you turned off animations, you might want to go back and enable the animation that it wants you to download. So, or enable. So you guys see this. It is an actual live wallpaper and it interacts with the mouse. So that's pretty much it for this one. If you guys want this one, like I said earlier in the video, I will leave a link to this in the description for you guys. And now let's go to get to the next one. Okay guys, so the next one is Tile Iconifier. So what this does is it basically allows you to customize the way that the tiles in your start menu looks. So you guys see Lively Wallpaper. It looks different, and I just pinned it to my start, and you can actually adjust the logo for any of these apps, and you can also change the size. So go ahead and open Tile Iconifier. So I'll have to delete it. I have to go to my files and do it. But go ahead and open Tile Iconifier. And once you do, it will allow you to customize the way that all of them look. So if you get this prompt, don't worry about it. But now you guys can see they have a list of the shortcuts. So I'm just going to use I'll use WordPad. So you just click on it, and it allows you to change the medium and small image together. And if you want to change the icon, all you got to do is just press change image. It'll bring up this, and you just press browse if you went on the internet and picked your own. And I advise you guys to pick a transparent background image because it makes it look better. So if you want to make your start menu look very good, I advise you to just get a logo. But if you don't want to have to go through all of that, most apps, most default apps, they already have different logos. So this is a list for the notepad. So that's pretty much it for this one. Remember, I will put a link to all of these tweaks in the description for you guys. And now let's go and get to the next one. Okay guys, so the next one is Taskbar X. So this tweak is used for making your taskbar look like this. So I think I use this in some of my older videos. I think like one of my older videos I used Taskbar X, and I actually just found this out, so I will put a link to this in the description. This is awesome, and you can actually put a transparent taskbar. You can move the apps to the middle like I'm doing, which I like that so much better. And all you need to do is just go ahead and open Taskbar X. So so Taskbar Configurator. So I do want to show you guys, just open your file manager once you have it and find Taskbar X. And once you do this, you need to make sure that if you want to activate Taskbar X, you need to double click on Taskbar X, and then if you want to change the way that it looks, you press Taskbar X configurator. Those are two different things. So you guys see, if you press on Taskbar X configurator, then it'll give you a list of the stuff that you want. So I pick transparent. You can pick blur, acrylic. If you want to make it a certain time that it automatically runs and it makes your taskbar transparent, then you can do that. I put it to 2 seconds, but it doesn't always automatically run at 2 seconds because the PC has to get everything fixed and prepared for you to start using it. So you might want to wait a minute. So that's why I put it at 2 seconds, but later I will change it to like 6 because you still have to wait for your PC to get prepared. So that's pretty much it. You guys see right here. Again, I will put this in the description so you guys can do this yourself. So now let's go ahead and get on to the next one. Okay guys, so the next one is CustomizerGod. So basically what this is, it actually allows you to change the icons or the logos for these apps. Like it can be on your taskbar, it can be in your start. So I actually like this app a lot because you can customize it the way you want. So if you just put like the volume icons, you can choose it. You can choose what color you want. It could be transparent. If you go to network icons, down here it'll be different. Same thing with the volume, file explorer, just all of this stuff. So so it actually gave me an error, but it shouldn't give you guys an error. See the resource loader. You might want to restart your PC if it gives you this, but since I'm just showing you guys how this works, then I don't really need to do that. But yeah, this one doesn't hold too much. This one isn't one of the best ones, but yeah, you can try this if you want to. And now let's go ahead and move on to the next one. Okay guys, so this next one is Rainmeter. So you guys might have seen this right here. And yeah, that's what this is. So it actually gives you info on what's going on in the system at the moment. So if you guys want to see the date, the time. So this is actually wrong. It's but it's 10:52. It's showing 22:52. But you can always change that. You can see how much space you have, how much RAM you're using, CPU usage, swap usage. So there's not much, but if you can add more widgets to your home screen, but I don't feel like I need that many widgets on my screen. So on my next video, you might see more widgets, but this wasn't really one of the best ones either, just like the last one. So now let's go ahead and move on to the last one. Okay guys, last but not least, we have Ultimate Windows Tweaker. So this is also another one of those where it lets you customize, but you guys might get a prompt about having to make a restore point. I advise you guys to do that because if you do anything with this, you could possibly mess up Windows and have to reset your PC. So I don't use this, but I did want to show you guys how to download it. So remember, like I said, I'm going to do with all the other ones. I will put a link to these apps in the description for you guys so you guys can download these. But this one just basically consists of just how much RAM you have. Like you see, I have 8 gigabytes, and it tells you the name of the PC at the moment. It also tells you what processor you have, how fast it is, what version of Windows 10 is, which I have the latest 2004. I actually have a Windows 10 Pro version, and you guys can see you can do certain stuff with Internet Explorer. You can tweak with your security and privacy. You can work with your performance, make it better if you want to. You can search for tweaks. Like there is a lot of tweaks in this one. So this one is one of the best ones, but I don't really use it because I do not want to mess up my PC. So you can try at your own will. I'm not making you try this. But if you do try this, I advise you to make a restore point. And I will make a video on how to make a restore point if you don't know how to make it. So now let's go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and turn on the notifications. I make a lot of good videos like this. And also, if you really did enjoy this video, please like. And I also will make a part 2 if we get to 10 likes, like I said in the intro. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.